Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to review the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-504C II Walnut Center Channel Speaker, one of the best center speakers for home theater setups. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Fire, cinematic sound quality. The RP-504C II is built to deliver powerful, immersive audio, making dialogue sound crisp and lifelike. Thanks to its hybrid Tractrix horn technology and 1-inch titanium vented tweeter, you get incredibly detailed highs without distortion, even at high volumes. High volume, powerful and clear dialogue. With four 5.25-inch ceramic woofers, this speaker provides deep, rich mids and impressive bass response, ensuring that voices remain natural and clear, no more struggling to hear dialogue in action-packed scenes. Artist palette, premium design and build. The walnut finish adds a touch of elegance to any setup, while the strong, durable construction ensures longevity. Plus, Klipsch's signature low-profile magnetic grille gives it a sleek, modern look. High voltage sign, why you should get it. White check mark, crisp and clear dialogue reproduction. White check mark, powerful sound with deep bass. White check mark, premium walnut finish for a stylish look. White check mark, perfect for home theaters and audiophiles. If you're building a high-performance surround sound system, the Klipsch RP-504C II is an absolute beast. Fire, check out the link below for the latest price and best deals. Let me know in the comments what you think of this speaker, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome reviews. Rocket, musical notes.